So hey guys, welcome to my new channel and your coding partner Abhinav is here with the interesting video. So this is my new channel and on this channel I would be posting coding videos and would be explaining you some White Hat Junior projects, those who are having difficulties in solving those projects. So today I am here with an interesting game to explain you, that is Bird Flappy game. So what happens when we will run this game, we will tap, so the bird will flow up and there will be some obstacles that the bird has to pass. I mean this character has to pass, and the score will increase as it will pass to one obstacle. So we are going to code this. It's a very simple code, so that is why I am showing it. It's for beginners so that they can learn how coding actually works. So let's get started by entering the full screen. So here is when run. So when reset this when run. So first of all there will be set speed to, according to your choice you can do it. I'm not doing it random because sometimes it happens the speed becomes very slow and that would be such a like lazy type of game. So I'm doing it fast is preferred, otherwise normal you can also do. And you are also having some options like set obstacle. So set obstacle you can do random, but for now I'm doing pipe only. And you can also set the player, so let's set the player to fish. And set gravity also, it should be there, otherwise the gravity won't be able to manage. So set gravity to high, it's recommended to you so that you do the set gravity high. And when click the flappy, this bird should actually we are having a fish, so this fish should just jump. So what we have to do is flap a large amount, that's recommended from my end to you. So the next thing is, when pass obstacle we have to play a sound. So what sound? It's optional that you have to play a sound. So I am doing it right now. Play uh, wing sound. Yeah, wing sound is only perfect. And after that I'll do score a point, because passing each obstacle will be scoring a point. And when hit the ground, end game. And here also you can play a sound, like I'm duplicating it. Play sad sound. So let me do it sad and end game. And when we will hit an obstacle, it should say end game and play smash sound we can do. Or I think smash sound would be cool for this, and sad sound will be there for this. And yeah, this code much is there. And for your extra information I'm adding one more code also, set a gap, because that is also recommended from my end. We can also set the gravity, like set gravity also, it should be high. Reset run, go. As you can see, now the game is working perfectly. And it's playing wing sound also. So guys, that's much for today's episode. If you like today's episode, please like the video and link will be everyone in the description for this app.